Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes rookie flippers make: not setting a realistic budget. It's so tempting to focus on potential profits, but if you don't have a solid budget, your costs can spiral out of control fast. The key is to figure out exactly what you can afford to spend up front, taking every single expense into account. This includes the purchase price, renovation costs, carrying costs like taxes and utilities, and of course, a little cushion for unexpected surprises. Start by breaking down your renovation plans into specific categories. Think about everything: plumbing, electrical, flooring, paint, and even the tiny details like light fixtures. Once you've listed it all, get quotes from contractors or research the costs of materials if you're planning to DIY. Don't forget those holding costs either. While the property's in your hands, you'll still need to cover things like property taxes, insurance, and even the interest on any loans you're using. Here's the hard part: sticking to that budget. It's easy to get swept up in upgrading to premium finishes or adding extras that weren't part of your original plan. While those upgrades might seem like they'll add value, they can eat into your profits quickly if you're not careful. Be smart about where to spend and where to save. For example, prioritize kitchens and bathrooms. Buyers love them, but don't overdo it in areas that won't bring a good return. Remember, flipping isn't just about creativity, it's about smart financial decisions. Treat your budget like your best friend. It's there to keep you on track and protect your bottom line. By sticking to a clear, realistic plan, you'll not only avoid financial headaches, but also set yourself up for a successful flip that's both satisfying and profitable.